If you're skipping out on the other brands, well, I'm telling you, you're making a mistake, because how great does this look? We got another car video today, something a little different though. We got some bricks. I was originally going to start with this one here, the Mold King. It's supposed to be like a Pagani Zonda, I believe, but I figured that instead I would start with these two here because they're fast and furious. Han's RX-7, and then we have Paul's Eclipse here. The Mold King actually comes with a display case, which is pretty dang cool actually. But I think for this video, we're gonna do this guy here, 367 pieces. I don't think these are gonna take us very long. Yeah, if you're interested in any of these bricks, guys, links will be in the description and the pinned comment below. So yeah, let's tear this open and see what's in the box. All right, quickly, let's just do a close-up on the box. So yeah, as you can see, it's very, very, very close to the actual car, which for me, that's just fine, honestly, because even like the, you know, the more well-known brand, those don't look exactly like the car either. So as long as they're close, I'm happy. So you do get a full color manual with all of the steps. And then in here, yeah, so each bag is actually labeled. So we have 6, 3, 5. That definitely helps because there has been kits we've done on this channel in the past that did not have that. So very useful. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm pretty excited for this, and then these will come in future videos, so just stay tuned for that. But for now, let's just build this little RX-7 looking thingamajig here and see how it ends up looking when we're done, because that's what's really important, right? Okay, we are done, and I have to be honest, it looks great. This is actually a really, really close representation of the RX-7 from Tokyo Drift. I mean, I'm not left with one single piece. Every single piece was in there. You know, these other brands, guys, nowadays in 2020, we'll just call it 2026, because, right, it's about to be 2026. If you're skipping out on the other brands, well, I'm telling you, you're making a mistake, because how great does this look? Now, I really want to add in that these are really stuck together. Like sometimes bricks don't stick together very well. This is solid. This is not coming apart. There's no gluing needed. This will stay together forever unless it is dropped. Like you can literally put this into a box with more cars on top of it and it's not gonna fall apart. I do have some Lego speed cars I can't say the same about those. You put them in a box and they fall apart. So food for thought. It took me about an hour or so to put it together. Each time I moved the camera, strangely enough, the timer was 13 minutes. So all in all, just about an hour or so. And I tell you what, I'm not disappointed at all. It looks great. It looks great. Once again, guys, the links will be in the description and the pinned comment. So if you want to pick one up for yourself to build out your little RX-7 dream car, then you can do that. Rolls, this looks awesome. I am thoroughly impressed with the Reobrix, but now I'm curious to see how the Mold King ones stand up to it. These have display cases in them. I just don't know, but this will probably be in the next video, unless you guys would rather see the Pagani. Let me know in the comments which one you think I should do next. I got a few of these, so I can make a bunch of videos. I think it looks great. I'm loving it. So we're gonna have to find a nice little spot to put this. They're probably gonna get their own shelves because, like I mentioned, I have a ton. And I also have a roller coaster. I don't know when I'll be able to make that video, or if I ever will. It could be just a project on my own because that's a lot of filming. That's a lot of filming. I mean, that's got to be 20 hours worth of putting it together. Also, check out the little carbon fiber-ish sticker. Nice little touch. Came out great. I actually really like it, and the size is nice too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.